Happy New Year, everyone. I hope you all had the most amazing holiday season, that Santa was really good to you, and that you're still full from all of that decadent deliciousness. I know I am. And of course, that means now that the new year has arrived, it's time to get our healthy eating back on track. This year, to help us do that, we have created a brand new website for you guys called healthymealplans.com. Now, you probably already know that meal planning really is the secret to keeping your eating on track each and every week, and this site was specifically designed to help with meal planning. It features hundreds of my favorite healthy recipes that you can simply drag and drop into your weekly meal planner, and then click Create Grocery List to generate a grocery list you can take with you to the supermarket. It makes it absolutely effortless, so I'm so excited to share it with you guys. And the very best part about all of this is that it is absolutely free for you guys to use. In addition to all of that awesomeness, we've also teamed up with an incredible dietitian to create some specialty meal plan bundles. All of these meal plans are nutritionally balanced, and we've created special meal plans for all dietary preferences. We've got a vegan version, vegetarian, gluten-free, low-carb, and pescatarian, so there's lots of great options. We've also got a full 12-week meal plan for those of you who really like to plan ahead. Now, as with any new site, we are still working through some of the kinks, so if you come across anything that feels a little bit wonky, definitely let us know and we will try to address it immediately. You can either leave a comment here or, of course, use the contact form on the site to get in touch. In addition, if there's anything you'd like to see added to the site, we'd also love to hear from you. Of course, as with any website, it's a work in progress, so we can work together and make it the best it can be. There's so much that this site offers you guys. I really hope you love it as much as we do. We hope that you'll share it with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from all the great meal planning tools available. As always, we totally appreciate your support this year and every year. And don't worry at all, I will be back all month long with lots of healthy, delicious recipes here on the channel for you to enjoy. Until then, Happy New Year, guys. Enjoy your day.